I'm not trying to scam anybody here.
Hi there folks, and welcome back to another frigid episode of Dudecraft. Today we're going to be working on Mrs. Dudecraft's 2018 Ford Fiesta. She ain't getting the turnover like she should in this cold weather, so it's time to replace the battery. And I figured, why not shoot a quick video and show you how to do it. It's real simple. Alright, so you have your negative terminal with a 10mm nut. There we go. You can see we got some corrosion on the terminal here. So we're going to take care of that in the process. Now what I like to do, I like to disconnect it completely. So we're going to use an 8mm socket. We're just going to take it completely off so we don't get any short circuits. Put this over here. We're switch back to the 10mm socket. We're going to do the same thing on the positive terminal. It's alright, we can put that back on, hopefully. There we go. Disconnect it, tilt it away. Alright, then the hold down bar has two 10mm nuts on it. Take it off, good side. Now we're going to lift the old battery out. Now, before we put the new battery in, we are going to clean the terminal. This right here is a little battery terminal cleaner. Got it from Harbor Freight. It's like $2-3, but it's amazing. So this side is for cleaning the connecting terminals. Take its little steel brush right here, scrape it. You want to get all that corrosion off. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. And make sure we are putting it in the right way. Negative, positive. We're going to take the hold down lever here, back in, put it on. First up, we're going to get this positive terminal back on. Make sure the nut stays straight. Make sure your terminal cable here is not touching anything it's not supposed to. And I'm an idiot and I put it on backwards because I wasn't really paying attention. But now we got it right. Put the 10 back on, right way. Modern cars, engines are so compact. It's hard to get into them. Might help if I loosen that a little bit. Yeah.
Here.
All right, let's start her up. There we go. And that is how you do a 2018 Ford Fiesta Type S battery swap. Now, if you excuse me, Mrs. Dudecraft's calling. I'll catch you guys on the next trip. Peace.
Yeah, well, the dude abides.